Hello, how are you doing now?
I'm good though, and you?
Me too good oh. I can't believe say you fit give me your number oh, I swear.
It's nothing.
Please, where do you stay?
I stay in Mowe.
Oh, that's nice. Please, let me just go straight to the point. I like you, and if you don't mind, can we be dating?
Where are you?
Nah, Iba for idea.
Oh, sorry. I don't like long distance relationship. It can't work. Sorry.
But my way to Ibafo not that far now.
Who tell you say you no far? If far, I go enter Korope. Enter Okada again. It really far. I'm sorry, it can't work.
No problem. Actually, I'm going back to UK tomorrow. I just come here for my great grandfather burial.
Oh, you mean you're from UK?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think we can be dating. Let's give it a try.
But you talk say you no like long distance relationship now.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.